Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about let and const. So you have probably seen me writing this word const over and over again in my last couple of videos, and you are probably wondering, what is this thing, Tian? Why did not you tell us? So I'm gonna tell you, don't worry. So previously people used to use this var, but now it's replaced by let and const. So let me make this comment. So you may feel confusion when to use let and when to use const. So before using either of these, you need to understand whether you are assigning something that will be changed in the future or not. So let's just make something let a equal to Tian, and let's just console log a, and we should probably see Tian, right? So if I just look over here, you can see Tian. But if I just changed a into something else, like the avatar, so yeah, if I just hit save, I should be seeing avatar, because what a is doing, a is taking the last value that is assigned to it, and it is showing me the last output. But initially it was Tian, but after it was changed into avatar. So let can be changed. So if you are dealing with something that may have the possibility of a change in the future, then you can use let, and this is a simple thing that you can remember all the time. And let's make another const. So const b equal to, let's say, Katara, and if I just console log this, clg, then tab, then b, then I should be seeing Katara. So here is avatar, here is Katara. So b is Katara, but if I just try to change b into something else, like b equal to I don't know, Roku, from Katara to Roku. So yeah, if I just change b into Roku and I just hit save, I will be getting an error over here. So let's just save this one, and here's the error, and this is saying assignment to constant variable. So it won't let you change that because this is const. B won't be changed, b will be forever Katara. So you have to keep in mind that const is constant and it won't be changed, but let you can change whenever you want, whenever you need. If I just change it again, a equal to, not Katara, Suki, a equal to Suki, and hit save, then I will be seeing Suki instead of avatar and instead of Tian. Though I have assigned 3 values, but a will take the last value. So so that's as easy as it can be. So yeah, let me know whether you are still confused with it or not. If you are, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.